You ask and we get to the bottom of it. So when several of you hit us up but wanting to know if cracking your knuckles causes arthritis, we put our Verify team on it. They found this video. It's part of a study from the University of Alberta where scientists used an MRI machine to record knuckle cracks. You can see the dark gray spot. That's a cavity that forms in the synovial fluid, an egg white-like substance that reduces friction in your joints. That cavity creation is what makes the cracking sound. And while it might look a little startling, researchers say it does not actually do any harm. They're backed up by more research. A radiologist from the University of California, Davis found the same thing. Dr. Robert Boutin studied a group of people who crack their knuckles and a group who does not. And he says there was not any difference in the health of their hands. So crack away. We can verify, no, it does not cause arthritis. Have something you want verified? Let us know. Email our fact checkers at verify@wfaa.com or find us on social media. Just search WFAA.